Welcome to the channel. If you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more travel vlogs. We've been travelling around Koh Samui for the past 2 months, and this is what we think the top 5 must-dos if you're visiting here. First on our list, we have Samui Elephant Sanctuary. Now there's plenty of sanctuaries across the island, but I'd recommend doing your research as some of them don't treat them in the best way. I can personally say that the one we went to treated them well, as there was no riding, there was no tricks, and they weren't chained up. The elephants were left alone to wander around freely. You start off your day by making them some food and feeding them, and then you can enter the sanctuary and walk around and see them. This company has been saving elephants for years now. It's a special foundation. There are plenty of elephant trekking parks on the island, and to be honest, it's not nice to watch. A lot of these elephants have been tortured for the tourism industry. So again, make sure you do your research, as you don't want to go to the wrong one. Number 2 on our list is temples. Now there's loads across the island, but some of our favourites are Wat Kanaram, which is home to the mummified monk that's been on display since 1973. You also have Wat Pai Lam, which is a Buddhist temple compound on Samui's northeast coast. It offers visitors a view into Chinese Thai beliefs, as well as some elaborate Buddhist themed art and architecture. And lastly, one of the biggest tourist attractions is Big Buddha. The temple sits on a small rocky island off Koh Samui's northeast corner. It's a 12-metre tall seated Buddha statue which was built in 1972. There are plenty more temples to see across the island, but these are definitely some of the most popular ones here. Now technically this one isn't in Koh Samui, but it's only a short boat ride away. We booked ours with Koh Samui Boat Charters. I'd highly recommend this company because our tour guide was fantastic, the food was amazing. We started our day off by going snorkeling, which unfortunately on the day we went wasn't the best visibility, but still amazing to do. You then head over to Pig Island. Luckily for us, we had the whole island to ourselves, which made the experience somewhat better. There's a little stall on the island where you can buy snacks for the pigs and try and entice them into the sea with you. Now if you go on a really hot day like we did, they don't really like getting out much. Now after we left, we was meant to head to the 5 islands, but unfortunately a storm started coming in. But hopefully on a day that you'll go, you'll be able to see that too. Next on our list has got to be beaches. Now if you come to Koh Samui, there's plenty across the island, but some of our favourites are Shweng Beach, Crystal Bay, Coral Cove and Fisherman's. And last but not least is the viewpoints. There's some amazing viewpoints all across the island, but definitely the best come from either Cocoon or the Jungle Club, which are 2 restaurants / bars with amazing panoramic views all around, and also the Overlapping Stone, which is a 20-foot rock on a cliff edge which makes for some great pictures and an amazing view. And that's it. That's our top 5 things you must do if you come to Koh Samui. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and a subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next one.